somebody in a recent video said that I should stop bashing silver, but I'm not bashing silver. This stuff is beautiful. Look at the sterling silver little box I got at an estate sale a while back. Isn't this beautiful? I would never bash this. This is beautiful and it is valuable. But however, that doesn't always mean I have to be a cheerleader for the price action. Okay, before I continue, I want to kind of have like a mission statement, right? So I'm on YouTube, so a lot of big companies have like mission statements. So I think I'll create a mission statement. So 1, to learn things on YouTube. 2, to hopefully increase my wealth by learning things on YouTube. And 3, to make friends. That's kind of my YouTube mission. In anything that would interfere with the first 3, I would want to avoid. So things like pride and ego can stop you from learning, they can prevent you from making friends, even make you some enemies, and they might cloud your judgment so you don't make money. So pride and ego and these things are like a weakness in this format. So speaking of friends, my friend Tech, who has a channel Moments of Trading, who does a really good job at research, did a video, it's 7 minutes long, called Silver Investment Demand 2014. And he looks at the numbers and the data that the Silver Institute put out. And here's a summary of his video. Basically, in order for the price of silver to go up, we need to have more investor demand. That's based on the current numbers, and the current numbers can always change. There can always be a black swan event, but based upon the current data, today is October 27, 2014, in order for the price of silver to go up right now, we need to have more investors investing. Because the summary of this report shows industry demand, supply, extra supply, all kinds of numbers. But essentially, in order for the price to go up right now, I believe we need more silver investors. That's basically it. You might say, of course, duh, but no, because you see, silver is an industrial metal as well. Actually, it's a huge industrial metal. And the industrial demand right now, we're not seeing the industrial demand right now is not showing us a potential price increase. And the supply right now is not showing us an increase, might show us a decrease. And with these factors, basically, it would take more investor demand in the near future to bring the price of silver up. So one big point that Tech addresses, and another big point that even the Silver Institute report addresses, is the theories out there that try and contradict the Silver Institute. So who is this Silver Institute? You can look at the names of it, and they're the players, the big players in silver, the silver miners. This report is created by silver miners. And what economic incentive do miners have? Well, they sell silver, so they'd like a higher price of silver because they are not in the business of losing money. They want to make money. So there is no incentive for the silver miners to talk down silver. Yet what this report shows is that in order for the price of silver to go up at this point in time, we need to have more investors because it won't be because of industry and supply right now at this point in time. And that can change, of course, if there is new data. But that's at this point in time. So there are other people out there, especially on YouTube, who are saying, well, you just can't trust the Silver Institute because, you can't trust them. So basically, nobody can tell you what to think, and no one can tell you who to trust. You have to make that choice for yourself. So what it boils down to is this. Who are you going to trust? Are you going to trust the silver miners? Do you think that the miners either don't understand how much silver they're making or they're mining, or the miners themselves are just trying to be deceitful? Or do you think that people on YouTube who have no industry experience are the ones to put your faith into? I mean, that's what it boils down to. Who are you going to trust? The Silver Institute, who's been around for a long time, who's been giving numbers for a long time, and who has a good reputation, or someone who's been on YouTube for a few years and you don't even know what the person looks like, and you don't even know what their name is. So that's kind of what it boils down to. And there are some people on YouTube who you would know their name who say you can't trust the Silver Institute, but maybe look at their background and see, right? And then it's up to you. It's all up to you. So thanks for watching, and be well.